Friday, May 5th. It is Cinco de Mayo. Gonna have a taco for dinner or some guacamole. Celebrate Cinco de Mayo. They had some great recipes on TV today. Sangria, margaritas. Sounded pretty good. Let me remind you that Sunday is the gnome class, $40. It gets you all the roving that you need to make your gnome, and you get to use a needle and a sponge. For that, if you want to buy the kit, it's $16. It is from 1 to 3 on Sunday. Don't miss it. Sign up, sign up, sign up, sign up. All right, call us tomorrow. Or go online. I think you can pay for it online. www.bellafilati.com. Let me remind you that on Sunday is a Fiberside Chat with Aimée Gille from Gille. I hope that's the way you pronounce her name. She is from Paris. She has a shop, and she's written her newest book is Neons and Neutrals with Aimée Gille. Gille, I think is the way you pronounce it. So anyway, that is at 1 o'clock. Go to Fiberside Chats. Or go to our website, click on purchase $20 seat, and you will have a front row seat for Aimée at 1 o'clock on Sunday. Don't miss it. She's supposed to be lots of fun. And her sweater looks amazing with neutrals and neons. How fun in Fair Isle. I've told you about these things many times, but I thought I'd remind you because I love them. I keep them next to my bed. My husband has a couple pairs sitting around the house. They are the best. They are Evolve Eyewear. These are the gels. They are, first of all, they weigh nothing. These are readers. They have no rim. And they're just lightweight, and they're totally flexible. Do you see that? Totally flexible. The whole thing is flexible. So it weighs nothing. It's great to read in bed with. It's great all the time. They're awesome. They are $35 a piece. And I have them in from a 1.5 to 2.5 and 3. Okay? Those are the strengths that I have. They come in, this is the turquoise. Then they come in blue. They come in amber. Can you see the amber? They come in red. I don't have the same ones in every one, but these are the red ones. And then I have a couple pair of the tortoise, which it's brown on the edges, okay? $45. I'm telling you, you will love them. Do you need a Mother's Day gift for somebody? $35. It's next Sunday, not this Sunday, next Sunday. Start planning ahead. All right. I think that's it. Tomorrow's Saturday. I will not be doing a video tomorrow night because I'm headed to a birthday party for our grandson, Tyler. He's going to be 7 next week. Hard to believe. You've seen him several times. The last time I think he was standing here and he popped up with a hat on. He was so excited. So anyway, that's him. It'll be fun. All right. Don't forget, Fiberside Chat with Aimée Gille, I think. On Sunday, the 7th at 1 o'clock. And gnome class. You won't see Aimée, but you'll do gnomes from 1 to 3 with Chrissy. Lots of stuff going on this weekend. All right. Have a wonderful evening, a celebratory Saturday, and a peaceful, prayerful, restorative Sunday. And I will see you Monday. Have a great weekend.